Aloha, this is lesson 353 from A Course in Miracles with Hope Johnson. My eyes, my tongue, my hands, my feet today have but one purpose: to be given Christ, to use to bless the world with miracles. Father, I give all that is mine today to Christ, to use in any way that best will serve the purpose that I share with Him. Nothing is mine alone, for He and I have joined in purpose. Thus has learning come almost to its appointed end. A while I work with Him to serve His purpose. Then I lose myself in my identity and recognize that Christ is but myself. That concludes the text. This is giving us one purpose for every faculty that we seem to have: our senses, our movements, our speech, our interactions, our facial expressions. They're all reassigned today. Their purpose isn't ego interpretation anymore. Everything is in service to Christ, to bless, to extend, to heal. This removes strain. Let this thought remove the strain of doing on your own, self-directed doing. Let that be replaced today with effortlessness and usefulness. Here's the lesson again. My eyes, my tongue, my hands, my feet today have but one purpose: to be given Christ, to use to bless the world with miracles. See that? This shared purpose it talks about dissolves the thought of separation. Nothing is mine alone, is what the text says. When your purpose is joined with Christ's purpose, which is your true purpose, everything you seem to do, your just being, becomes part of blessing. Your shared intention, the intention that you share with Christ, your joining with Christ, ends your illusion of having private thoughts or actions or even identity. Christ is your true identity. Your learning is coming near completion now. Lesson 353 out of 365. To let Christ use everything you have, everything you are, is the final phase of the undoing. The mind that accepts this thought about using everything, giving everything for Christ's purpose, for blessing the world, has almost completed your curriculum. You're transitioning from learning with Christ now to remembering that you are Christ. This service is a bridge to your being aware of your true identity. The text says you work with him a while, meaning you still experience yourself as a doer partnering with Christ. But as your mind is purified through this relationship, that sense of partnership with Christ dissolves, revealing what's always true. Christ is but myself. So the function of blessing leads naturally into recognizing your true identity. Miracles are the natural use for the body. When your body and your perception, every thought, everything is dedicated to Christ's purpose, your life becomes a means for blessing, because it's not testifying to separation or limitation. It's like a lantern for light to draw toward rather than a place for fear to fester. You're always holding space in this way. Your mind testifies to truth. So let Christ use all that you are today, your whole experience, to bless the world with miracles through you. Let this be your offering. Use all that I am to bless the world with miracles. And upon rising, get into alignment with this thought. Hold it in your mind for a moment. Imagine handing over your senses, your sense of smell, your sense of sight, your sense of touch. Hand it all over. May my eyes see as you see. May my voice speak as you speak. May my hands serve as you serve. May my steps walk where you guide. And feel the relief of not needing to direct yourself. This is so relaxing when you let it be relaxing. This is such a blessing to just let Christ's mind guide you. That's with a sense of ease, pause, breath. Use it throughout the day whenever confusion or pressure, someone seems to be pressuring you. Take a pause and breathe. Christ, use this moment. Christ, use my body. Let the sense of partnership with Christ lift your burdens. See, whenever you're not remembering that you are Christ, you can choose to be in partnership with Christ. It's amazing. So you never lose the connection. If you're not presently aware that you are Christ, when you're aware that you are Christ, all of your faculties, all your senses, everything's being used for Christ. But when you don't know in the moment, that's okay. That's when you enter partnership. It's all imagined. Naturally you are Christ because you are as God created you. But you can, when you're believing in illusions, also imagine yourself going into partnership with Christ. This lifts your burdens instantly. That can be very real to you because you are that Christ. So if you believe you're not, and if you're getting any upset feeling, that's because you believe you're not. If you believe you're not, go into partnership with Christ to help you see. And as you see this way, you recognize your true identity as the Christ. And eventually, even partnership with Christ doesn't make any sense. So, as the day closes before you rest for the evening, notice where you felt Christ using you today. Or if you knew yourself as Christ, great, that works too. Where did you remember blessing flowing through you? Let gratitude arise for this. This is how you anchor the recognition that Christ is yourself. So, twice a day and every hour, and whenever you need it, you want it. My eyes, my tongue, my hands, my feet today have but one purpose: to be given Christ, to use to bless the world with miracles. Have a beautiful remembrance. I love you.